all oppressors, and go run away when I see the cold. Hello, sir. Victoria. There was some terrible development. Greatest Nigerian people. Grace. We have just observed a new level of unbelievable impunity on behalf of the DSS today. What has happened is that when we arrived here, they prevented a lot of you from entering.
Yeah.
When we got up there, they prevented me from entering the courtroom. Or they said only the court and only the family and the wife can be inside. So while we were waiting outside, word came that there was a disagreement between the legal team as to who should represent him to move the bail application. It is unprecedented in our movement that a disagreement of that level could reach a level where the lawyers had to withdraw appearance, which then gave the DSS the opportunity to take him back into custody. Good news is that the case is adjourned till Monday.
Okay, next week Monday.
This next Monday.
Okay.
The lawyers are working on the inside to file another bail application.
Okay.
And we can't even, I cannot lie to you, I cannot explain what has happened. But those of us who are involved in this have been privately having meetings, and we suspect is what we think happened that happened.
Exactly.
Yes,
exactly.
so, but we don't want to preempt that until we work in getting justice, getting freedom. What we saw today is that the DSS was aware that there was an opportunity to bongo this case, and they prepared for it.
Oh.
Even if justice had been granted bail today, they were prepared to ensure that the bail conditions are not fulfilled because of their impunity. So, Nigerians, you must be prepared for these people. What they are doing now, gradually, is what we will do in the next 1 year, leading to election, to prevent the rule of law from having any hold in our courtrooms. It's not as if the courts are good already, they are bad.
Very bad.
But it's going to get worse. And you are going to see more of DSS impunity coming in the next year. So let's all be prepared. Please.
Leave him.
Please.
Leave him. Leave him.
Because there was no basis. Please, can we focus here? Can we focus here? Yes. There was no basis about what was done today.
So my question is that can we hit the street for justice? That's what I want to know.
Are we not? Was I not the one who led an invasion of the Ministry of Justice?
Yes.
You know, there's nothing to teach us about hitting the streets. What we have always told you is that all of us must unite. Yes. Let's get the numbers to confront these people. Otherwise, nobody is safe in this country. Are you getting my point? The DSS had no basis coming to court today to come and block the entrance of the court.
Yes.
They had already planned what happened today. But we will investigate who is behind this.
Sir. We will.
Because this was well planned.
Very well.
I have no doubt about it.
Exactly.
And the reason why I say it is well planned that if I was inside the court, they couldn't have done what they did today.
Exactly.
I wouldn't have allowed the lawyers to do what they did today if I was. But I think they knew that if I was inside that courtroom, it would have prevented what happened. So that's what happened. And I am going to appeal to you. I'm not appealing for calm. I'm appealing to you for numbers. Let's bombard this court on Monday with maximum numbers, not just a few people. It is not about Justice Crack. It is about the freedom of everybody in this country to freely participate in the political system. This is no longer a democracy. Yes. Democracy is dead. Tinubu has come to kill democracy. And they will start picking the leaders of this movement one by one, just so that they can destroy the civil society space. That's all I will tell you for now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yes.